In this video, I want to show you how to get discounts by using PurseIO by buying gift cards from it. So if you search for gift cards there, you can find all kinds of gift cards for things that you would usually buy, like household things at Lowe's, Uber, and Uber, by the way. So you see this 8.5%, 7.5% discount if you use the Uber card. You can get Amazon cards. That's a 5% discount, right? They give you $2.5 off if you buy a $50 card. You get all kinds of things. GameStop if you like playing games. Starbucks if you like Starbucks. Whole Foods discounts, right? So this is another 5% discount. So just by using your Bitcoin to buy gift cards here and then using the gift cards at those retailers, you can get an initial 5 to 10% off immediately using Purse.io.